Hello everyone, I am Mansi Jaiswal, Assistant Professor, Department of ICT, Tecnia Institute of Advanced Studies. Today, we are going to explore the fascinating evolution of data science. This field, which is now an integral part of the various industries, has undergone a remarkable transformation over the time. From its early beginnings in the statistic to the advanced AI driven applications of today, data science has played a crucial role in shaping technology and decision making processes. Let's take a journey through how time to understand how data science has evolved. Point number 1, the foundations. Statistics and mathematics data science traces its roots back to the statistics and mathematics. In the 17th and the 18th centuries, statisticians developed fundamental probability theories and mathematical models to analyze data. Point number 2, the rise of computing from 1950s to 1970s. With the advent of computers in the mid 20th century, data analysis shifted from manual calculations to machine-based computations. Some key milestones include development of early databases, introduction of programming language, and later SQL were developed to handle data processing. Point number 3, the era of big data 1990s to 2000s. With the internet boom, data generation increased exponentially. Some important developments during this period include the birth of machine learning. Algorithms such as decision trees, support vector machines, and neural networks became more widely used. Google revolutionized search and data indexing, leading to advancements in data retrieval and analysis. Rise of social media, platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn generated vast amounts of user data. Point number 4, the AI and deep learning revolution from 2010 to present. Recent advancement in AI, artificial intelligence, and computational power have propelled data science to new heights. Big data technologies, frameworks like Hadoop, Spark, and cloud computing have enabled large scale data processing, automation, and AI applications. AI powered tools like ChatGPT, autonomous systems, and recommendation engines dominate industries like healthcare, finance, and e commerce. Conclusion, data science has come a long way from simple statistical analysis to AI driven decision making. As data continues to grow, so do the opportunities and challenges in this field. Whether you are a student, a researcher, or a professional, staying updated with the latest trends and technologies in data science will be crucial for your success. Thank you for your attention. I hope with this lecture you have got a gist of what data science evolution is. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. In the next lecture, we will be discussing the data science rules. Thank you for watching this video.